And this is the quick review for a disjunction. So remember, a disjunction, the clue is the word or between the two inequalities. And so that's going to tell you that not only could the word or be there, but the symbol, and you gotta associate union with disjunction. Union, putting things together, right? So there are three possibilities with disjunctions, just like conjunctions. So let's take a look. What if the two inequalities go the same direction? So I've got x greater than or equal to -2 in black. It's already graphed above the line, and x greater than 1 graphed above the line. Now in this scenario, we're putting the two together. So I'm going to go over top of this black one just to illustrate what happens when you put the two together. See what happens when I put the two together? I really end up with the black one. Now this happens when they're going the same direction. Whoops, we got rid of the wrong thing. So this happens when they go the same direction. So let me graph on the number line the solution. It would be any value -2 and greater. It's all the values that belong to either the black one or the blue one, or what should we say, that belong, to either one, right? Either or. And so any value from -2 on, and so how would we write our solution? X greater than or equal to -2. Okay, union, you're putting them together. You're putting them together. Second scenario, what if they go in opposite directions and they overlap? So is there a number that exists that doesn't belong to either the blue or the black? And the answer is no. Every number is included. And what is our number system? The real numbers. So the solution is all the real numbers. Should have done that in green. Stay color coded here, right? All the real numbers. Hey, if they overlap going in different directions and it's a disjunction, it's always going to be all the real numbers because you're putting together everything. It's all the real numbers. All right, what if they go in different directions and don't overlap? Well, you know what the solution is? All the blacks, also all the blues. There's only one way to say that. You can't put this together like a conjunction. That would be the middle part. The only way to say it is to say x is less than or equal to 0 or x is greater than or equal to 3. That's the only way to say that. That's all the black, also all the blue. Now, notice, the less than one is always listed first on the left, and the greater than one is always listed right on the right, second on the right. And that'll always make the smaller number on the left and the bigger number on the right. It's just some proper notation, okay? So that's our third possibility. So they can go in the same direction. They can go in opposite directions and overlap. That's always all the real numbers. Or they can go in opposite directions and not overlap, at which case you're always going to say both inequalities with the word or as your written solution. All right. Hey, that's it.